So today I'm going to show you this workflow where we have a form submission. So that could be on a website where somebody asks a question. AI ChatGPT is going to generate a response based on the form and then save that response on a Google Sheets, convert it into Markdown, and send an automated email. So we're going to be using Tally Forms, which is a free form builder. And I've created this form just asking for first name, last name, email, and a little message. That form submission will be picked up by this module here, and I've got a prompt, a message system prompt, which says, "You are an AI automation expert. Your role is to generate an automated and personalized email." And basically, I want it to be generated to generate a 50-word reply and be personalized. And I've also told the system to output the format. So I want the subject to be output in this format. So in between subject tags and also body tags. This is so that later on I can use the text parser and use this regex expression to pull out those specific ChatGPT generated answers. So the user will fill in this form, and I'm passing this data to ChatGPT, and it's going to generate a response. So we can run this scenario. So it's collecting the data. Oh, sorry, we haven't put any data in. So we're going to put in Pedro Pape just for the sake of it. I'll put AI automation flow email in there. I am interested in AI automation net consulting. Can you give me some ideas about a workflow for my business? So submit this form. So the AI is going to pick it up. So now if I run this flow, it's going to use this existing data. ChatGPT is generating response. The subject line is getting passed, and then the body is getting passed. It's getting saved onto Google Sheets, and then it's being converted to Markdown, and finally the email is being sent. So if we check our email, this is the response that we got. Hey Pedro, thank you for reaching out. We're eager to help with your AI automation needs. So this is a personalized response. ChatGPT hasn't created a company name, so I'm going to tell it to generate a company name for me. In the response, add company name at the bottom, call it AI automation flow. So, so we're saving that, and we've got to run create the script again. Call it test name, name T. Can you give me some advice about net consulting workflows and how I can utilize it for my business? Submit. So we're going to run the workflow again, and then we're going to check the new response. So you see the subject line, and subject line is guidance on consulting workflows. That's based on our query, on our form. And also AI automation flow is the company name. And this is our name, test name. So the use case for this is if someone fills out a form on your website, you can generate an automated personalized response, and that's going to create a lasting good impression on your clients or customers. So, so this is the system prompt, and this is the user prompt. This is a regex expression. So basically, we want to collect all the information, all the letters from between the response, between the subject body. So this is the output from ChatGPT, and you can see subject, and then you've got the subject, and then with closing subject tags. So this text parser takes in this subject, and it outputs the workflow guidance on consulting workflows, and the same idea for the body. So this is the body tag, and all the text between the body tags is extracted. And the reason is so that we can map this onto our Google Sheets, so that just for our records we know what we sent. And if we go on to our Google Sheets, you can see the name, the surname, the email, the message. This is from the form that we filled in. But the email response and the subject line is what ChatGPT created, and it's been mapped onto the spreadsheet or the Google Sheets. Markdown just makes the whole email response a lot cleaner and easy to read. So if you didn't have the markdown, the email response would look like a bit like this, just like one whole sentence. So it's not very clean. This is what we want. We want like spaces. And yeah, this is the workflow. I hope it's given you some ideas. If you're interested in customized workflows, ammo at aiautomationflow.co.uk. You can contact me, and we can do an audit, free audit, AI audit.